Arista with MPH is an all-natural adjunctive surgical hemostat, 100% plant-based and thrombin-free. This video demonstrates the gelling and absorptive properties that make Arista unique. Here we lay out 2 lines of Arista. Note the free-flowing nature of the Arista powder and how the bellows applicator allows control of the application. On the first side, we'll drop plain water onto the Arista powder, observing the MPH technology in action as the beads absorb the liquid on contact. Now, on the second line, you'll see the true difference Arista with MPH offers. You may expect Arista to absorb the blood, as it did the water. However, you will immediately notice that the blood is not absorbed into the Arista powder, but beads up. Arista forms an almost immediate gel on the surface of the blood, and this demonstrates the rapidity of Arista's initial action. Now let's take a look at the technology that makes this possible on the molecular level. MPH begins working immediately on contact, dehydrating and gelling the blood. This powerful osmotic action concentrates serum proteins, platelets, and other formed elements on the surface of the MPH bead. The microporous polysaccharide hemospheres and its coating of compacted cells create an almost immediate gel, forming a mechanical barrier to bleeding. The molecular sieve action of MPH creates a hyperconcentration of fibrinogen and platelets, initiates the clotting process, and forms a tenacious clot within minutes. The MPH particles are enzymatically degraded and cleared from the wound site within 24 to 48 hours, versus other surgical hemostats, which can take as long as 8 weeks to be reabsorbed. Using Arista is remarkably easy. Simply remember RAPI. First, remove any excess blood. Then apply Arista liberally. Next, hold pressure until hemostasis is achieved. Finally, irrigate Arista from the wound site. RAPI. Arista with MPH is plant-based and thrombin-free, eliminating the risk factors associated with thrombin-containing hemostats. It's cell-saver compatible when using a 40-micron filter. It's completely cleared from the wound site within 24 to 48 hours. Arista with MPH is a safety revolution in hemostasis. Better, naturally. For more information on Arista with MPH, visit metaphor.com.